Hi guys, today we're playing Boat Ride into a Better Life. Worm. Okay guys, let's just keep going because we didn't see anything, right? All we saw was my beautiful pink boat. A shark! Shark! Gap. Ah! Oh no. No! Rules are my with you. That's what I tell them, the rules. Breakable, having them. Ooh, wow, wow. It's rules are more. Oh my god. Whee! Guys, turn. You gotta turn around, y'all. Meh, 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 meh. Hey, how cool is that? Oh. That's so cute. Yes. Guys, let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on, yeah. Yeah. Guys. Oh. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Oh. These are doing this for me. Blah, 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 blah. Oh. Wee. Anyway, guys, I think this is where I'm going to end it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.